Hey Sam, congratulations! Let's go!
Sheboygan nights turn to gold.
Let's go!
One step at a time. June breeze rolling on the lakeside. Cool fall, drifting while the sun still shines. Vollrath Park, packed hill to hillside. Whole city showed up for the big night. Caps in the air, hear the horns outside. Confetti rain down while the crowd go wild. 5 schools deep in the moment, feel timeless. 700 dreams all lined up beside us. North High, standing tall in the spotlight. Sam walked the stage and the whole fan teared twice. Mom so proud, Dad got the wide smile. Nana looking at him like, baby, you did it right. Coastal Carolina drove all that mileage. Team Hemble came through, full of love and excitement. Everybody cheering when they call that name. Years of hard work now shining like flames, and the cheers kept rising. Late wind cold, but the heart stay warm. Young dreams glowing, whole crowd singing through the storm. One step at a time, keep climbing.
Samuel Wolf.
Bright future ahead, never giving up. Work hard, stay strong, make the family proud. Sam, your whole life opening now. Hands high, stars bright, city lights below. Big dreams coming fast, but you taking it slow. One step at a time, watch the whole world move. Got your future waiting and it's all for you. Shan standing there looking picture perfect. High school sweethearts and they both deserved it. Side by side while the cameras flash. Young love shining through the smoking glass. Co-workers clapping from the crowd nearby. Friends screaming loud till their voices fried. Everybody knew this day meant something. Years went fast but the memories coming. Fog rolling over Lake Michigan water. Golden light hit the graduates proper. Beautiful scene like a movie ending. But everybody knew this just the beginning. You moved to Milwaukee in the fall now. New city dreams with the same hometown. Still got roots in the lakeside air. Still got family love. Keep climbing up, bright future ahead, never giving up. Work hard, stay strong, make the family proud. Sam, your whole life opening now. From Sheboygan nights to the skyline views, carry all the love that's surrounding you. One step at a time and the road gets clear. Best days of your life getting closer here. North High forever, Lake Michigan breeze. Sam, we proud of you. One step